Hello there, second grade. I'm super happy that you are here and I hope that you are as ready as I am to start with today's class. So as you know, this week we are going to be doing some reviews about the topics that we learned in Unit 5 and Unit 6. So you are going to be ready for the exam that is this Friday. Don't worry about this. We're not going to do homework. You're not going to have activities for the workbook, the student's book, or notebook. These activities are going to be answered aloud. These are more like games that you need to play with me. So you need to pay attention, and please, I beg you to watch these videos because these are for review and this is to help you in order to get ready for the exams. And these are the topics the topics that are coming in the exam. So pay attention to this and let's begin. First of all, we are going to do a review about the time, telling the time, about how to use the clock. Remember that we learned this, telling the time, the hours of the day. Y solo aprendimos las horas en punto, like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 1 en punto, 2 en punto. So, as you can see, en punto is like o'clock. When the largest hand is pointing at 12, okay? It means o'clock. So the shorter hand is pointing at the hour. For example, this is the minute hand and the hour hand. This is the shorter. But when it's pointing at 12, it means o'clock, right? So the shorter or the hour hand is pointing at 1. So it means it's 1 o'clock. Repeat with me, 1 o'clock, 1 o'clock. And then we have 2 o'clock, as you can see. And the hour hand is pointing at 2. And the other one is pointing at 12. 2 o'clock. Very good. 3 o'clock. 4 o'clock. It is in here. Then we have 5 o'clock. And then 6 o'clock. It is 6 o'clock. 7 o'clock. Look at this. The hour hand is pointing at 7 and the minute hand it's always pointing at 12 because we are learning only about o'clock times, horas en punto. It says 8 o'clock, okay? As you can see, 8 o'clock. Very good. Then we have 9 o'clock. Repeat, 9 o'clock. You need to remember the numbers. Some of you don't know your numbers. You should know to count to 100 and you don't know this. Please practice with me. 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. This time we're not paying attention to the tiniest hand. A la más delgadita no le estamos prestando atención esta vez. We're just focusing on the hour hand and minute hand. 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. And the last one is 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock. Okay, very good. So I think that we're ready to do a game. What do you say? Yes or no? Are you ready? I am. So I'm going to show you the activity that we're going to do today. And it's a game. It's about telling time. This is what we just reviewed and I hope that you are ready to do this. ¿Ok? Recuerda que estas actividades no tienen que ser copiadas en la libreta. Solo es para que tú respondas en voz alta mientras estás viendo el video. Yo confío en que tú estés viendo este video prestando atención, contestando como si yo estuviera junto a ti. ¿Ok? So, the game says, the first one, I'm showing you a clock. This is the minute hand is pointing at 12. Como ya sabemos, solo estamos viendo o'clock times. Entonces, todas las minute hands van a estar apuntando a las 12, a 12. And then the hour hand is pointing at. And you need to tell me, what time is it? Yo les pregunto, what time is it? And you need to answer choosing only one of these options. Ustedes me van a contestar eligiendo una de estas tres opciones. It's 12 o'clock, it's 5 o'clock, or it's 6 o'clock. Which one is the best option? So, if your answer was, it's 5 o'clock, your answer is perfect. Excellent job. Well done. Next one. You need to pay attention to the clock. And both of the hands are pointing out. What time is it? ¿Qué hora es? It's 12 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock. What time is it? You need to choose only one. Vas a elegir una respuesta nada más. So, if your answer was, it's 12 o'clock, well done, perfect. Are you ready for the next one? Let's see. Okay, so now you can tell me, what time is it? Look at the clock, minute hand, hour hand. It's 10 o'clock, it's 11 o'clock, it's 6 o'clock. Which one is the correct answer? Okay, if your answer was, it's 10 o'clock, your answer is correct. You can see that the little one is pointing at 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's it. It's 10 o'clock. Next one. What time is it? Look at the clock. We have the options. It's 8 o'clock, it's 11 o'clock, or it's 3 o'clock. Look at it, pay attention, and answer aloud. So, if your answer was, it's 3 o'clock, perfect, very good. This was the answer. It's 3 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, very good. So now I'm showing you two clocks. In these two clocks, you need to choose if it's letter A or letter B that shows that it's 1 o'clock. ¿En cuál reloj es 1 o'clock? Letter A or letter B? Which one is the correct answer? The correct answer, or if your answer was letter A, excellent job, very good, congratulations. Next one, it's 9 o'clock, letter A or letter B? Answer. Responde en voz alta, letter A or letter B? If your answer was letter A, very good, because this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 o'clock. Very good, excellent. We have one more for today, and it says, it's 10 o'clock, letter A or letter B? 10 o'clock. You can count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you don't remember the name of that number, but if your answer was letter B, perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good, excellent job. So I hope you had a nice time, and I hope you had an amazing time reviewing, and I hope that you don't have any more questions about this. So that was it for today, and I hope to see you here tomorrow one more time. Tomorrow we are going to be doing more games, and I hope that you participate so you can review about it. Have a nice and beautiful day. I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.